Hello to everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are alright. In this video, I am going to show you the best way to make a nutrients-enriched soil mix for petunia plants. Let's start to our topic. Soil mix. It is also a very valuable step to grow maximum petunias, and it requires a great attention. Petunia plant is a winter season plant that grows around 5 to 6 months. In this time period, the plant requires a well-draining and fertile soil mix. The roots of petunia plant are very soft, and they also requires a soft soil mix to grow fastly. For this, I have gathered some important ingredients to make a best soil mix. Organic compost, gardening soil, mustard cake, tea waste, and eggshell powder are the components of making a high-quality soil mix for petunias. Must follow the given amounts of all the components. In such type of soil mix, petunias grows very well, and show you maximum blooms. Mix all the ingredients properly. Don't add cocoa peat in this soil mix. Cocoa peat holds a large amount of water in it, that can be harmful for your petunias. If you find anything helpful in this video, then must subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.